Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and we're doing a My Mani box unboxing today. These videos are two parts. I'll release the first part first. That'll be the actual unboxing, and then pretty soon after I'll release the demo. Normally I release these like at the same time-ish, but I'm moving a little bit slow. I don't know if you have heard the announcement yet because I kind of announced it at the end of a giveaway video. But on March 3rd, my mom died unexpectedly. And it's thrown me for a loop. I have found that nail art is being therapeutic. But I have also found that I'm very overwhelmed. So I'm taking it day by day. And yeah, so that's your bummer, but remember there's going to be a giveaway soon. We're going to open this box. Do subscribe. Subscribers are the ones who are eligible for the giveaway, and yes, I do check, but you'll want to be a part of our little community anyway. It's fun. And I have some actually I have the nail art done for like 3 or 4 videos. I just have to work up the pluck to film them. I should get like a personal cheerleader. I don't know if anybody offers that service, like if it's on whatever those remote work little website jobber things are. But anyway, but yes, I have videos ready to film, lots of awesome tutorials, lots of kind of spring stuff. And if you see the dragonflies on me today, it is in honor of my mother, who loved teal, and she loved dragonflies. And because I can't not tell you what plate we used, of course I can't. This is new Nicole Diary 261, all dragonflies, all the time. Okay, so let's get this going. Sorry about the bummer. I know it's an even bigger bummer for me. So, gosh, I think there should be like at least a few giveaways in this one. And then if there aren't enough giveaways for me to feel like it's a really good giveaway, then I will supplement with my own personal giveaway stash. But I think Beautometry has done us proud this time. Let's start with a little black velvet bag. These are great to keep for gifts and stuff. And, ooh, Cuticle Putty. What's the, ooh, orange slice. I'm not going to open this because this has lanolin in it and I can't use it, but I have used their Cuticle Putty before. It did keep my, it did really do a great job of moisturizing around the cuticle area. There was just that sensitivity to lanolin. But all the ingredients are here for anybody who is sensitive to things. But I adore Beautometry's Cuticle Putty. I remember when it was in the polish pickup every month, and I was excited to tell all my friends about whatever flavor it was going to be. Okay, what am I opening first? Usually, I guess I look at this. My Mani box, February is Spring Delights. All right, so it lists what we've got here, but before we spoil that, let's go ahead and just open it. Let's do this. All right. Oh my goodness. This is going to be fun. Okay. Very nicely, securely wrapped. We're going to go for it with the scissors just to speed things up. Let me know how everybody has been. I know it's probably been a while since you've heard from me. Actually, I think March 3rd was the last video I posted. Sorry about that. Again, I do intend to keep posting. Come on! These scissors are not very sharp. It's not like I'm having an extra weekday. I mean, W-E-A-K day, not W-E-E-K day. All right, let's see if this will just be enough. I don't think it will. Okay, this is sad because these are some of my fabric scissors from when I used to be a seamstress and a designer and things. But you know what? One time won't kill me. It's my fault for having them in this area of the house anyway. Ooh, okay, fun. Lots of plates. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can just... This has been your adventure in scissors. It's just one of the services I offer. Awkwardly and slowly unwrapping gifts. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Okay. Ooh, 2 plates, one from the Paradise collection. Ooh, butterflies. Very cool, very fun. And I have this plate, so this one is going into the giveaway. Hooray! In fact, if you go to Beautometry's website and you look up this plate, I think a couple of the pictures, I did the nail art on those. So this one is a botanical collection plate that I do not have. Hooray with the butterflies this time. And the flowers, this will be beautiful. Okay, so I do not have this plate. I might end up playing with it. We'll see. We'll see how long all of this takes. And then, ooh, another one for the giveaway. So I do have the Everglades plate. I always like Beautometry plates. They have so much room for you to do stamping, whether it's because you want a specific area stamped or because you have long nails, or just to have the kind of variety. Beautometry plates are really great. So, super snake. Snakes are really trendy right now, and you can very easily do a multi-finger manicure with the snake, etc., etc. Fun kind of snake skin, reptile skin. That's always fun. All right, so these two, the Paradise one and the Everglades one, are going into the giveaway, as is the cuticle oil. Very awesome. And let's see what else is in this box. It's the last thing. This is in the trademark tissue paper from Beautometry. Nope, I'm lying. The wrong word came out of my mouth. It's hit the bottle. And so this is, ooh, a stamping polish. And, oh my goodness, look how beautiful and bright neon green this is. I actually have to, this looks like one of the neon shears. So I'm going to really quickly check out to see if I have that nail polish. So some of you have seen that I store my polish in, what's that? Oh, I store my polish in these containers with the stamping polish at least. And the neons are on this side. You can see all those. And look at, there's a green. Let's see, let's see. It's going to be the best giveaway ever. Okay. Phase 2. Okay, I'm going to take this out for the demo. All the products that I have, I'll be using my own products in the demo. My workroom is a pit. I know that some of you have been like, I really would love to see your storage situation and how you do all, you know, how you store all your things. And that could be a future video, but I've got to get with the program and get things cleaned up. So anyway, awesome box today. Sorry about the announcement. My mom was the most kind and giving person I've ever met, human I've ever met. She just thought of everybody else all day long. Today, the Slipping Through My Fingers song by ABBA has been on Facebook Reels all day long. And it's one of the songs that always made Mom cry. And now it's making me cry because it's a sad song and it made my mom cry, which I'm remembering, but also the meaning of the song, which makes me cry too. So anyway, so that's my personal admission of the day. And thank you for staying to the end of the video. You get a personal secret about me. There we go. Slipping through my fingers. I am a mess. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Comment below. Tell me what your favorite thing in the box is. And you can even say if you're excited about the giveaway, because I am. And I will see you soon with that demo part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm very glad to have all of you as my friends. Bye-bye.